So 2 weeks before the meeting of the European Council, I have to say that Slovenia strongly supports your country, the Republic of Northern Macedonia, to receive the green light to start the negotiation process with the EU. This is one of the most important projects that is in front of us all, and I have no doubt that within 2 weeks there will be a green light for the start of negotiation. Let me point out that only 1 week before the European Council, our Prime Minister, Mr. Šarec of Slovenia, he will visit your country to send a strong signal to everybody in Europe what is our support, the Slovene support for your country, and that your country deserves the start of negotiations now more than ever. This is very important, and of course Slovenia will continue with the overwhelming support, offering our experiences, our knowledge and our expertise for this process that is demanding, but it is important since 28 EU member states have gone through this process, and it has been good for us, for our standard. It will be also good for us, for you, for your country. And since we are now at the University of Mother Teresa, let me point out that the power of knowledge is here the most important element. With the power of knowledge, each of us, each of students, can contribute to this change and to the advancement of your country, so that your young people will have a clear perspective of staying at home and contribute to the benefit of your society.
Thank you.